Hello everyone, I am redoing the video on Bandhan Bank. Earlier video was too lengthy and more of a lecture. This video will go through the key aspects. Individual can go through the presentation for more details. From the index, we will discuss why Bandhan Bank, revenue, profit margin, beta and probability of success part of calculation and conclusion. I will keep the video length to 5 minutes. First, why Bandhan Bank? There is no imminent threat to the banking industry. Industry and its services are irreplaceable. We can be sure that after 10, 20, 30 years, bank will still be present. For Bandhan Bank, it has shown exceptional performance in the past 5 years. Except from a spike in NPA into year 2018-19, they have good track record. Bank has unique strategy. They are targeting the rural and semi-urban region of country. These regions are mostly unexplored by other big players in India. Banks have little or no competition in this area. With government's push to increase the average income of rural and semi-urban area, bank will be directly benefited. Bank has limited presence in the other part of country except for eastern part of India. With exceptional performance, bank has potential to reinvest its profit in its growth at very high rate of return. With banks focus on microfinancing and retail loan segment, asset quality is expected to remain strong. With high vigilance from authority and stringent regulation, any deterioration of asset quality will be promptly identified. So to summarize here, Bandhan Bank has exceptional financial performance, have high potential to grow for decades to come, and have strong asset quality. This makes bank a candidate for review and see if market price is above or below its intrinsic value. Revenue. Bank can grow by either entering the new region and attracting more customer or providing products to customer from various segments available but not exploited, or better, can do both. With increasing deposits and profitability, bank have necessary funds to fund its growth. However, in calculation, we have been as pessimistic as possible. So even if bank fail to capitalize on the available opportunity, they will still be able to achieve this minimum requirement. Profit margin is also set. Instead of bank's past perform profit margin of 28 to 30%, calculation is based on 21% margin. Apart to this, reduction in margin due to spike in NPA is also included in the calculation. This low margin along with reinvestment rate will cover the capital cost required by bank to grow its operation and even more. Beta is one of the important calculation point which express the risk associated with the investment. In our calculation, we have considered beta of 1.5, which means that Bandhan Bank is 50% more risky compared to average equity. You can refer table in the end of presentation for beta calculation. 80% probability of success is also our last safety margin in the calculation. It gives us confidence that we would be buying rupees 1 in 80 paisa. So in the conclusion, companies available on premium at 6%. This is after all the safety margins we have added in our calculation. So the bank is preferred by and is currently very close to its intrinsic value. As you all know that intrinsic value is always a range, and we can say 349 is our midpoint, and it can be plus minus 5%, 10% or minus 10%, 0%. Each individual has to decide on their own risk capability how much safety margin they would like to consider. Please go through the presentation and share your comments and observation. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.